video, guys, I will be telling you the new updates from Ghana President Nana Akufo-Addo. Is what I will be telling you guys today, because that president is a president of my time, you know. It's just too amazing. It's just too full of surprise, my people. So I decided to bring it to my amazing subscribers, amazing followers, lovers, viewers all over the world. Okay, my people, stay tuned, don't skip, so that you can get the message. Okay, my people. Lovers, oh my God, how are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. As for me, I am doing fabulous. Okay, my people. So my new subscribers, if you are new in my channel, my name is Maria Omo Family TV. What I do in my channel, I always deliberate on Nigeria and Ghana issue. Not for bad, for good, my people. Okay, because we need the betterment of our land. Okay, so my adorable people, let's jump on it. What we are about to deliberate on today is just so super amazing. Honestly, guys, I decided to talk about it because I can't just ignore it. I can't just let it pass by. Okay, my people. So my adorable people, you guys know I don't joke with Ghana president. That is Nana Akufo-Addo. He's the president of my time. I don't joke with him. I don't just know why I love that man so much, because a man that feel for his average Nigerian, Ghanaians is a hero. Is a man to celebrate. Is a man to talk about. Okay, my people. So that's why I choose to talk about him. I decided to talk about him because I know what it takes. I was there before. I know what it takes for you to that is all, my people. We should not just go there. Okay, those of you that say stop comparing, I am not comparing, because that man is a hero. He's a president of integrity. I describe it with that. Okay, my people, so let's jump on it, my adorable people. In today's video, guys, I will be telling you the good news about Nana Akufo-Addo. Nana Akufo-Addo just decided to raise accommodation, buildings, affordable buildings for its average citizen. My president, you are excellency. You all that based in diaspora know the meaning of that. Where I base, where I stays, we call those kind of building ashlem, that is government house. In Italy, they call it common houses. In UK, they call it council houses. But other countries, I am so sorry, I don't know what they call it. I can't fake it, because for the first time, my people, I told you guys, there is no negativity in almost China. Okay, my people. So others country, I don't know what they call it. The three country, I just know what they call it. That is the three country I name. Okay, my people. Nana Akufo-Addo decided to use that kind of method in Ghana. Charlie, you guys don't know what you have. Ghanaians, please, my people, I am begging. You guys should support this president with prayer. That is what he needs. Okay? So, my people, he decided to use that kind of method. Is that not amazing? Even to the extent, let's take a row first. Just take a row. Watch. My people, those are the buildings. Can you see it? Because if you don't stay in face me, I face you house, you will not understand what I am trying to say. Maybe you can just come and say, this woman, she's a village woman. Because I was there, I know what it takes for someone to grow up in a face me, I face you compound. Hey, if you are not stubborn, you cannot stay in face me, I face you. Whereby someone will come and tell you, come on, is your brother or your sister that poo here? Maybe it's not your brother, maybe it's not your sister. Trust me, you are just going to say, no, I don't believe. It's not my brother or it's not my sister. Before you know, you guys will evolve. You guys will just find yourself fighting each other. So the president of my time, Nana Akufo-Addo, he decided to raise amazing accommodation, affordable accommodation for his own average citizen. My people, just watch where I am showing you. Watch it. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see? Is that not amazing? Ghanaians, I just want to use this opportunity to talk to my Ghanaian supporters, because this channel is all about Ghanaians as a Ghanaian citizen. Yes, my people. So you, my new subscribers, if you don't know me, let me use this opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Maria Omo Family TV. What I do in my channel, I always deliberate on Nigeria and Ghana issue. This time I am a content creator. Okay, my people, guys, I want to use this opportunity to introduce my other channel to you, where you can find my husband, where you can find my adorable kids, my Ghanaian supporters. If you love to see your brothers and your sister, please kindly subscribe to Omo Showcase Lifestyle. Okay, I'm so sorry. I will be dropping the link in my others video. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Is a baby channel. Please, guys, help me to build it up. Okay, my adorable people, you can find my adorable Ghanaian husband there and my amazing Ghanaian kids there. Is a showcase channel. Okay, my people. So I'm not here for that. Let me celebrate my Nana Akufo-Addo, the president of my town. Ha! The president that decided to use Europe method. Okay, we all know what they call government has. You know, if you don't have document, they can accommodate you. Even if you have a document, you can stay in government. If you have a constant job, you are working, you said you want to acquire that house for yourself, you can just take a loan from the bank, then you acquire that house for yourself. That is the method Nana Akufo-Addo is using. Guys, before we further, let's take a road. Just watch and see those amazing. Watch where I am showing you. Don't watch me, just watch my hand where I am showing you. Okay, my people. Okay, my people. Those are the buildings, affordable buildings Nana Akufo-Addo afford for his average citizen. Okay, if you cannot acquire that building for yourself, you can rent it. You can rent it. You and your family can just get that amazing life that you want. It's not all kids that love to grow up in face me, I face you. I was there before. I know what it takes. But glory be to God today. Okay, my people. So this president, all he needs from us is just prayer. Ghanaians, please, you guys should support this man in any way you can do. Please do. Please, please, please do. Okay, my people. So my adorable people, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, when you subscribe, don't hesitate to smash on that notification bell that will always update you of my new upload. As you do so, may God bless you. In this channel, trust me, there is no negativity, just real facts. Okay, my people, because as you can see me, a Ghanaian citizen, a Ghanaian wife, I love good things. I love amazing things, okay? I don't joke with good things. When you are good, trust me, I honor you. Okay, my people? So, my adorable people, always love this channel. Please support my other baby channel, where you can find my husband, my kids, okay? So, Omo Showcase Lifestyle is the name of my baby channel. I just opened it up recent. Guys, support. Okay, you guys are so supportive. I will appreciate you guys again. Okay, very soon we are hitting 5,000 subscribers. Ghanaians, it's not, I know why Nana Akufo-Addo is so good. Yes, because my husband always described his country Ghana as a mother's land, peaceful land. So it's so amazing. Honestly, I love Ghanaians. Oh, Jesus, I love you all. Although people always come for me, hey, it's not only you that get married to Ghana. Please do your thing. Let me do my own. Let me shine my shine, because I am a Ghanaian. Okay, you in this junction, guys, please subscribe. Okay, my people, subscribe. Take me higher. You guys are really doing an amazing job. Honestly, you guys are heroes. Okay, my Ghanaian supporters all over the world. Okay, I will be leaving you guys in this junction, and I will love to see you all in my next video. So watch till the end. So if your family is living in Ghana, face me, I face you, and you want to take them to the next level, so just apply. Okay, if you want to acquire it, go for it. If you just want to rent it, please do. Okay, as you do so, may God bless you. I love you all. See you all
at your own pace. It says 10 years. I feel no more Jesus are dying. Been one meeting here to a about Bayan won't die. To say she any been a pesa ye. Now be to me and your baby did it. Now 300 Ghana need a no susu no dear susu. Sasu will be susu 500, will be susu 1,000. It's in young I best so. Obiebe each other's keeper near so yasne near kika who abonye timi asese mortgage no ne timi apɛ baby di trato
anti finance na dey there bay em say it boils down to the same or say onu so wakɔ affordable housing for ne ho ani uma kudin komo okoye no ya ka kyerɛ say enkran dey or say 215,000 Ghana cedis and here for 2 bedroom na ɛsɛ otua half na we are half aka no so or the 2 years etua na we ebeden na ono wetimi ato say fie
menim affordable housing for how so wako so I cannot speak to it and I mean him say
I say a year mpo na odi betua ne aka no okay enti fina enti honorable say onim affordable housing ko a ko office nti utie fa fabra na yenhwe say aban dia na say private or say adenta. Okay, Adenta de no state housing for Ghana. I think best state housing for Ghana. Yeah,
inaugurated state housing board. Na minister for housing Honorable Census so about 300 acres. I bet be quite cheaper because investor back what I'm needing come was even with 60 acres no. He'll be able to roll out about 3,000 units.
Obet me, I roll out about 3,000 units.
And you know, it depends on the technology. Technology is so more prefab non peso, we bring peso use no. A bet me is in 10 many year. Once a parliament require offices job 600 near prefab. Accra a rich hospital.
For the benefit of your team for prefab anyway.
A prefabrication of a dying customer you go so I can say your say your conventional way of building with brick and mortar you bet me start with the partition in the prefab now say concrete slabs in a the be at chichi na say dan no bo na dey you pese e bathroom but I believe say you see me dania now so dani who be it me na dani for and ya be bebre o Roman rich it is how she say no redevelopment no any infilling no chese be a dan so no ya che asase no mienu na sibi so won chen say dwumadie ni na de ekoso but say affordable housing project yes thousands of units no and na che say ya kwa land banks for that project but redevelopment there ekoso ko say collabonia yes sibi ho ko Roman Reja yes sibi ho woko ya government bungalow say we opposite across psychiatric hospital ho no we say ye bi ho tini na ye redevelopment ye ho adwuma.
All right enti abai bungalows ahodo so amodema aban adwuma for trem so so no so mase na no asem tsen
I am the so ba asem so me ka say bra na me deputy minister me bra am de mani to for ma no say nipa do bebre about 30 to 40% of the people to abai dem krom ntuaka omo di kra ni enkratem na chese omo ministry hofo ni bi na ye kanana na edi safo akoma no obi wo so a wateta hu so obi kwa retirement obi hu anu akwa kohyem obi wo so wateta hu so obi kwa transfer obi hu akwa kohyem enti ye ni brisem ye start say ye tu on within 1 week no nipa adwane kwa Bank of Ghana ekotu omo esika no we able to raise millions of Ghana cedis it is our system that so air commission eni ho abetimi agi ho sika because maybe me na ma me ya na me po anwumi a that me free office in September 5 no me to a pro call Roman Ridge cantonments labone ni ade kohwe o metiti aban dem obi ho a obekọ ho 10 times won go to nipa ofi anajo no sneaky in etieto so ahomachi no nam so menam anajo du baako na wonam na ohwe abai dan me kopia abantie bi so ewo Nigerian flats na me ka chese ya ba ha hifa na wo ye adwuma won krata asem a chese de dan we ya maun ewo hifa wase memi ye hwan ena me bodyguard ka chese that time na me deputy minister works and house who was wo kan also deputy minister the one office me na adwuma ya na adwuma ni na me yesu na se me office ye adwuma ka mu so ti abai dan mu ntwa Eti dan room do betu because we nkrata so you're not supposed to be here. Meanwhile no one to be more di so am obi ahan.
Aban dan no
so I say edu baby no say organize task force edukotu nkrofo free abide them. Cause bungalows akese we say man kola nkete food soldiers ni nkrofo no magi dan na boso. Na government appointees kwenya baby na. Enti sa adwumadie ni nyina no ye factory ye hoso ma that time ye timi tutu ni pebebre if you have them and on my say regularize ma on so ye regularize say de be ya o betua to na se so mutua ma aban no but one more enti aban dem mo mutua no me ma me force akonya reso and sound another caution and warning to them say tie bia will come after you enti me nya wadwe say o dia anadwo na obeda and no anadwo say be 8 o'clock na me nam we ho baby we say dem wo ha na sumbi wo ho etu tita mo se na we ye pie tita na wo be sa sa na etu na fe ye ka story se chiro eti sa anyama ni nyina no ye ni ku ho a ye be he
no but ne sa no wa as minister one is okodan sa aka no
say structures ni adwuma eni se na akodan sa aka no but sometimes I believe say charity begins at home enti no wo as a minister utu sa na mo na de adwuma na hye ne sanso mu say na sadi ese so ne so pejam